Welcome back to Sergeant D. Mortimer's cooking show. This one is called Whatever's in the Fridge. Yeah, let's get cooking. Here we got chicken fillet, some macaroni and cheese left over, some bacon, capsicum and spring onions. Okay, let's see what we can make with this. Here we go, we've got some butter and some bacon in here. And there's a bit of black sauce and some garlic powder. And I'm just about to put some barbecue sauce in here. Yeah, and I've just cut up the chicken fillet, defrosted that and just chucked that in here with the bacon. Now I've just got to cut up the spring onions and the capsicum. Here we go with the capsicum, spring onion in. Now I just need to nuke up my macaroni. I'm just going to add a bit more cheese to it. Time to plate up now. Here you go. Bacon, chicken, mac and cheese, spring onions and capsicum. Oh yeah.